Hello students, now chapter 4 part 2 we have to learn here about the clock and make how 2 minutes going on, and we have to draw also hands in the clock. Okay, now you see here the picture of Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is so long. You see this photo of Paris, France. The sunset after 9 p.m. at night during the summer. This photo was taken at night, but in winter it becomes dark there here by 4 p.m. in the evening. Okay, see here. Now you find out the minutes. Okay, how long will it take the time, minutes, and to move from? See here. Here you know this, the small hand is on 4 and big hand is on 7. It's moving from 7 to 10. So 15 minutes passed away. 5, 5 and 5. 5, 5, 10, 5, 15. There is 15 minutes away. So you have to write here minutes properly. In this clock, you see, small hand is on 4. In this also. And see here, it's a big hand is on 8 o'clock. And it's moving from here to here to here to here on 12 o'clock. Okay, so 5, 5, 5 and 5. 20 minutes. You have to write here 20 minutes. In this clock, you also know and do how many minutes passed away. See here, 6 o'clock. Big hand is going 1, 2, 3. 1 and going on 2 and going on 3. Okay, so you have to write here minutes. In this clock also, small hand is on 7, big hand is on 2. Here is small hand is on going 8 and big hand is going 2 to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you clearly count and write here minutes. In this clock, you draw the hands. Okay, see here, in this clock, 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. See here, it's 6 o'clock, we have to draw here small hands. And 20 minutes past 6 o'clock, 20 minutes after. Here you see, in this clock, 20 minutes, that means 5, 10, 15 and 20. So we have to draw here big hand on 4. So we find here 6:20. Okay, 6:20. That's why you have to draw here 7 and 10. So small hand is on 7 and big hand is on 2, okay, because 1 is 5 minutes going and 2 is 10 minutes past. In this clock, you have to past. First of all, you have to draw small hand on 8 and 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. So you have to show here the big hand on 6 o'clock. So you have to write here 8:30, sorry. Here you write small hand draw on 5 o'clock. And big hand, small hand is on 5 o'clock. And big hand is on 15 minutes after. That means 5, 5 and 5. 5, 10 and 15. So you have to draw here big hand on 3. That's why you have to already draw the big hand in small hand. Big hand is showing hour and small big hand is showing minutes and small hand is showing minutes. That's why you have to draw this. How long does your school assembly? I think 20 minutes. How long your lunch break? I think so 30 minutes. When you come to school, you have to spend that time. How long is your game period? It's 35 minutes. Is it same as all the other periods? Yes. Okay. Now see here, students playing and taking their work here. The games period and lunch break seem very short, aren't they? आपको तो गेम पीरियड और लंच ब्रेक तो बड़ा चाहिए, बट हियर इज द नो टाइम बिकॉज वी हैव टू स्टडी. नाउ सी हियर, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स कैन दिस एक्टिविटीज टेक? मेक अ गेस एंड चेक एट होम. ओके, हियर इज बॉइलिंग 1 लीटर मिल्क. आपकी मम्मी मिल्क को गर्म करती है गैस पर, तो कितना टाइम लगता है आपको यहाँ लिखना है गैस करके. फिर फिलिंग बकेट, आप नहाने जाते हो तो बकेट को कितना टाइम लगता है फिल करने. फिर स्वीपिंग रूम, आप अपने घर में सफाई करते हो. सो हियर इज एक्टिविटी टाइम. in 1 minute how many time you do? Snap your finger, keep your rope, jump and jump, down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so that's why you have to write here gazing time. Here is another challenge for you. Speak non-stop. Stand one leg. Sing and without break. How long do you take? Run 50 meters. Collect 50 pebbles from ground and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go to 100. That's why this is the game and work of this chapter. Okay, so you have to enjoy this chapter. When you do these activities, you have to feeling so much fun here. Okay, look at the clock again. Solve this one. Okay, the minute hand start from 2. How many minutes will you take? Come back 2 again. That's why you have to this activity too. Look around this list of activity and take out 1 hour complete. कौन सी एक्टिविटी के लिए आपको 1 आवर लगता है, वो एक्टिविटीज़ आपको यहाँ पे लिखनी है. हाउ लॉन्ग डज टेक कुक डिनर? मोर और लेस. एंड आस्क योर फादर if can could fast as your mother, yes or no. Which game take less than an hour to finish, and how long does football match take? That's why you have to take so much time. How many time you taken to do this activity and enjoy this chapter fully. Okay, so thank you class and enjoy the activity.